From 3D printed veggies to laboratory grown meats, the future of food is upon us. According to the United Nations, by the year 2050, we'll need to increase food production by 70% to feed the extra 2.5 billion people on the planet. So what's on the menu of the future? Food Flash! Let's take a look. 3D printed meals. Foods like cereal, crackers, and chocolate have already been successfully 3D printed, and experts say that 3D printers could help solve food shortages across the world. Algae smoothies. Our oceans, lakes, and rivers are full of this slimy green stuff, but don't be quick to snub it. Algae is high in nutrition and easy to grow. Scientists can transform algae into powder that you can add to everything, from smoothies to soups. Lab-grown meats. Grown in a laboratory from cultured cells, it tastes and looks like a burger, but with the caveat that it's from lab to table. So-called clean meats will also eliminate the unethical and cruel treatment of farm animals. But will the future of food be tasty? Only time will tell.